Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Ash-Shaheed. This special name teaches us something wonderful about how Allah is always present in our lives. Ash-Shaheed means the witness. What does that mean? It means Allah sees and knows everything that happens, everywhere, all the time. Nothing is hidden from Him. Whether we're at home, at school, playing with friends, or even when we're all alone in our room, Allah is always there watching over us. This is such a comforting thought. When we do something good, like helping a friend who dropped their books, sharing our toys, or telling the truth even when it's hard, Allah sees it. He witnesses every kind word we say and every good deed we do, and He is happy with us when we choose to do what's right. But what if we make a mistake? What if we do something we shouldn't have done? Well, here's the beautiful part. Because Allah knows everything, we can always turn to Him and say sorry. We don't need to hide or feel afraid. Allah, Ash-Shaheed, sees our hearts and knows when we're truly sorry. He is always ready to forgive us when we ask. So let's remember this important lesson. Allah, Ash-Shaheed, is always with us. He's watching over us with love and care. This means we should always try our best to do good things, knowing that Allah sees us. And when we make mistakes, we can always come back to Him. He is the witness who never leaves us, and that's something truly special.